I woke up young with stars in my eyes. Thought I'd chase the sky, never questioned why. But the days rolled on like an endless stream, and I started to wonder what it all might mean. Tried to run fast, tried to climb high, built a name on things that pass us by. I had the world, but I still felt small, like I missed the point, like I lost it all. What if life is more than winning the race? More than lights in a crowded place? What if meaning hides in the in-between, in quiet love, in simple dreams? Maybe it's not about what we leave behind, but who we are and how we're kind. That's what it means. That's what it means. I met a man with nothing but time. He said, son, slow down, life's not a climb. He smiled like the sun-worn hands in grace. Said you'll find your truth in the smallest space. The laugh of a child, the hand that you hold, the stories we tell when the night gets cold. Not the